So here's another cracking young bird, just being weaned here at Pioneer Pigeons. This is a really special young bird. It's from a son of Christopeel, so a friend's wow when paired to a granddaughter, of Starboy, Morris O'Donnell's Starboy. And this pigeon will be going to the Dubai One Loft race in July. So again, the best of the D'Artagnan lines, so it being a grandchild of D'Artagnan, and it having the best of the Morris O'Donnell lines, the Miss Morris Starboy lines as well. Really like this young bird, really like it. Single reared. Yeah, will be on its way to Dubai next month. Catch you soon.